My name is Judith Pardo Alferez, and I am the principal at Alpine Middle School in Alpine, Texas. And we serve 5th through 8th grade here.
Chris Thomas, I'm the assistant principal here at the Alpine Middle School in Alpine, Texas.
Well, the C.A.P.S celebration was amazing. I think the message that you brought to the students really will resonate for a long, long time. And I think, if they just take one thing is to make sure that they take care of themselves and they're not worry so much about what everybody else is thinking, especially right now, our middle schoolers. They have so many things that are driving them, like social media and the power of what you said to them. And it was, dream, and not just dream, but dream big. So I think that was a really great message.
I felt that the acronym HELP, Hope, Encouragement, Love, and Perseverance was really timely for our students, especially in this time that they need to know the power of their words and how they can be a help to each other. And I thought it was fantastic. The kids loved it. I really felt it was powerful to leave them with the idea of that they're leaving a legacy for the grade behind them.
I think highlighting the teachers and including them in the message and in being able to participate in, just like you said to them, we preach that we're going to lecture them and we're going to ask them to follow directions. And then when it comes to us, sometimes educators, we don't really listen a lot. And if you have an educator coming up to a door and there's a sign, they're going to try to get in before they read the sign. So just notice that when you deal with educators or with teachers. It was amazing to have them included on the message, and I think we're changing the atmosphere of our middle school. I think they're all positive, and you can tell with the way that the students react for them.
I feel that we have a really good group of teachers here, and they're very excellent teachers. Mm-hmm. But I also think too that it really helps them to hear those words of encouragement, especially from students, and I think in some ways it gave students permission to encourage their own teacher. I think that's something that they don't always get, is it's okay to encourage an adult. And I know our teachers appreciate it. I could see it on their faces, and I felt it in my heart, so I thought it was fantastic.
I would encourage any other school in district to bring in the C.A.P.S presentation, because I think that the students will be able to take that message for their future, and it's not something that is going to be a one-time deal. I think it'll resonate with them and really hopefully use it in the future. And so I think that is a money well spent / the time. I know that we as educators, we always say one more resource that we could have is time. Time is of the essence. But even when you have that hour, more than an hour, it is worth it. And so it's not just time for the sake of time. It's something that was a very powerful message.
I feel that especially being in Alpine, because we're way out in West Texas and in some ways sometimes feel disconnected from the rest of the world, but to have a hip hop artist come in and deliver such a strong message, it kind of helps reconnect them into the world and gives them an opportunity to see somebody that they can say, hey, I can do that. And I think it's a very good program. I think it, like Ms. Pardo was saying, I think it's well worth the time that they spend there, because of the words that they're hearing and the encouraging message that they're hearing. I think is pays back many timefold.